Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Network and token freeze after Aquila exploit raises question. The Aquila hack saw over a billion USD stablecoin minted from thin air, but now community members are scratching their head wondering how the decentralized protocol would handle the cleanup. The Aquila network, a USD stablecoin depleted by over 99% over the weekend and forces Aquila and Team Taopao's and hacker wallet raises concern about this claim of the designated on Augustus 14. A hacker took advantage of bug on the EBTC and USD liquidity pool, which resulted in 1 and 2 billion and being weighted without collateral. This event crashed the USD page in stablecoin to Essen and response to Akala team froze and the erroneously minted tokens by placing under the network maintenance mode. The move also halted other visors such as Swarm's XCM, cross-chain combination, Polkadot, and Oracle price fetch until further notice. While the move to put the network in maintenance mode, the phrases found in the hacker wallet might have been meant to protect user and network from any further harm. Proton of the decentralization have tried foul. Akala is cross-chain decentralized finance and hub that uses the USD stablecoin based on the Polkadot DOT blockchain. USD is a crypto-backed stablecoin with Akala claim to censorship resistant. EBTC in the form of verbal Bitcoin BTC which can be used in the DFI protocol. Community members have not ironically claimed about USD censorship resistance since the protocol froze for the swiftly Twitter user GR33 and had3r. Pointed out on Augustus 14. The decisions will have good governance to have decentralized finance. And if Akala central control the decision, there's really DFI. A member of project Discord channel Yusa Faikme proposed rolling back the chain to reserve the token mine altogether, but was challenged by Skordov. Another member who said such a section would set harmful precedent as of the time writing the network was still in the maintenance mode to block all token transfer, but the team confirmed to the bug had been fixed. The wallet that reserved unauthorized minted USD have been identified and 90% of them were still all Akala, which leaves the possibility that they may be retrieved by the community if it falls to do so. The Akala exploit is the second major on the week on curve for finance. CRF experienced an attack on the East Front and on August 9, which directly uses to approve the malicious contract. Akala problem different from curve for the latter poll will not compromise and the user would directly interact with a smart contract and experience no issue. The last stable coin to lose impact in the pale month starting not issue with Terra USD, the mine which has since been renamed to Terra Classic. Other notable debits include Theater. and include Tether, USDT, and Day. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.